Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to turn off the Microsoft Defender SmartScreen filter in the Microsoft Edge web browser. And a quick details about Microsoft Defender SmartScreen is to protect against phishing or malware websites and applications and downloading of potentially malicious files. And I'll show you the options how to turn it on or off when you are using the Edge. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay open lang natin ang Microsoft Edge web browser. And then dito lang sa top right corner and select mo lang yung 3-dot icon. And then ang susunod ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung settings. And then dito sa settings, and then select mo lang dito yung privacy, search, and services. So click mo lang dito. And then next ay scroll down and then select lang natin dito yung security. Ito siya, okay? So security, and then select mo lang dito yung Microsoft Defender SmartScreen. I'll protect me from malicious sites and downloads with Microsoft Defender SmartScreen. Kung paano ba ito i-turn on or off, so i-click mo lang itong button ito, ganito siya. Ayan. So naka-turn off siya. And then pag gusto mong i-turn on, click mo lang dito. Okay, and the other options naman na pwede mong i-turn on or turn off mo itong block potentially unwanted app. So nandito rin yung other option dito mga kaibigan. Yeah, so ganito lang kasimple. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano natin i-turn off ang Microsoft Defender SmartScreen filter in the Microsoft Edge. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.